Hi, I'm Theresa-Marie Rhyne, and I'm here to talk with you about the second edition of my book on applying color theory to digital media and visualization. This updated version highlights generative AI examples for color scheme suggestion, translating between color harmony and data color schemes, and a 5-stage process for colorizing your digital media and visualizations. So, let's provide an overview of each of the book's 8 chapters. In Chapter 1, we review the 3 color models: the RGB color model for displays, the CMY color model for printing, and the RYB color model for paints. Next, we present a brief overview of the historical progression of color theory. New in the second edition, we feature color mixing challenges when moving between color models. In Chapter 2, we provide a general overview of the color vision principles, including color deficiencies. Tools are introduced to help analyze how individuals with color deficiencies might view a digital image. New to the second edition are a few color mysteries, such as the discovery that magenta is not a spectral color. In Chapter 3, we review the concepts of color gamut, color spaces, and color systems. These color spaces are widely used in color reproduction and color standards. This chapter also provides the terminology to understand online and mobile color apps that allow for digital color selection and capture. New to the second edition is a demonstration of how color hex codes can help with generative AI color scheme suggestions. In Chapter 4, we define color harmony. We review the respective RGB, CMYK, and RGB color models in terms of building a color wheel. We show hues, tints, tones, and shades on the wheel. Next, we define color harmony as the process of choosing colors from the color wheel that work well together in the composition of an image. 9 types of color harmony with fresh examples in the second edition are covered. These are monochromatic, analogous, complementary, split complementary, analogous complementary, double complementary, and tetrad, as well as dyad and triad. Chapter 5 is new to the second edition. Here we discuss 3 classifications of data color schemes. These are sequential, diverging, and qualitative. Sequential schemes are designed for ordering numeric information where colors progress from low to high or vice versa. Diverging color schemes emphasize quantitative data that progresses outward from a central neutral midpoint to 2 different color directions. Qualitative schemes are designed for coding categorical information when there is no particular ordering of the data and colors should receive equal perceptual weight. Data color schemes are compared to the color harmonies that we covered in Chapter 4. Examples of how generative AI tools can assist with data color scheme suggestion are shown. Now in Chapter 6, we examine 8 tools for analyzing and creating color palettes. These include Adobe Color, Adobe Capture, the Color Lovers Community and its Composite software tool, Palladium Color Scheme Designer, Viz Palette, Color Brewer, HCO Wizard, and Data Color Picker. The second edition includes updates and new apps to add to your color toolbox. Each tool has its own approach for aiding and creating color schemes. Chapter 7 provides case studies. We initially describe a 5-stage process for colorizing digital media and data visualizations. These steps include 1. Establish data classes for your visualization and key color for your visualization. Step number 2. Select color rule, color harmony per criteria for your data. Step number 3, build the color scheme. A color suggestion tool might be helpful, like what we covered in Chapter 6. Step number 4, check and revise due to color deficiencies, contrast, or pre-existing conditions. And step number 5, apply the color scheme to your digital media or data visualization. Some modifications might result. We developed a ring diagram to depict this process and asked a generative AI system to colorize the resulting illustration. We then applied the 5-stage process to 3 case studies examples. Number 1, using color detection to identify fresh color schemes from everyday objects. Number 2, identifying the patterns associated with correlation of biological data. And number 3, exploring the impacts of climate change in terms of the development of a tropical storm. Chapter 8 provides a text summary and visual collage of selected illustrations for each of the prior chapters in this 2nd edition. These summaries are the basis of this video. We hope you will enjoy exploring color and its application to digital media and visualization in the 2nd edition of this book. It was my pleasure to bring this revision to you. Thank you.